A beautiful cafe, two friends, and way too much coffee. Will Bob drink hot coffee or iced coffee? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Daniel. I am Daniel, and I am here to help you learn English the easy way. Slow, simple, and clear. In today's video, you are going to watch Bob and Lisa. They are friends, and they are going to a new cafe together. They are going to order, eat, try desserts, and have a great time at the cafe. But there is also a little surprise, a bee. A fun video is about to begin. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Lisa, the weather is so nice today. Would you like to do something outside?
Yes, that is a very nice idea. What do you want to do?
I do not know. Maybe we can go to a cafe?
Oh, I would love that. I heard a new cafe opened last week. I heard it is very nice.
Really? Where is it?
On Park Street, on the ground floor of the building on the corner. The name is The Green Cup.
That sounds nice. Let's go there.
Okay. Should we meet at 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock works for me. Let's meet there. Here I am. You are already here.
Yes, I arrived 5 minutes ago. I was waiting for you.
I am a little late.
No problem. Look, the cafe looks really beautiful.
Wow, you are right. It looks so cute from the outside. There are flowers and green plants in front of the door.
And look, there are tables outside too. Would you like to sit in the garden or should we sit inside?
The weather is so nice. Let's sit outside.
I was thinking the same thing. Let's go inside and place our order. The inside is beautiful too. The decoration is amazing.
Yes, it is a very warm and cozy atmosphere. There are nice paintings on the wall.
And the music is really nice too. Calm and relaxing.
Look, the menu is written on the board. Over there, on the wall.
I see it. There are so many options.
Yes, coffees, teas, cold drinks, desserts, and sandwiches.
Hmm, I wonder what I should get.
What do you usually drink? Coffee or tea?
I love coffee, but today I want to try something different.
How about iced drinks? It is hot. An iced drink might be nice.
There is iced latte, iced chocolate, iced lemonade. They all look good. Yes, I want to get an iced latte. What are you going to get?
I am gonna get a hot coffee, a classic Americano.
Hot coffee when the weather is this hot.
Yes, I always drink hot coffee, even when the weather is hot.
Interesting. Everyone has different habits.
Would you like to eat something too? I am a little hungry.
I am actually hungry too. Let's see what is on the menu.
There are sandwiches, chicken sandwich, cheese sandwich, tuna sandwich.
I want to get the chicken sandwich. What about you?
I will get the cheese sandwich. Let's also look at the desserts.
Where are the desserts listed?
Over there at the bottom of the menu, they have cheesecake, brownie, cookies, and carrot cake.
They all look good. But let's eat our food first, then we will decide on dessert.
Okay, you are right. Let's go order.
Hello, welcome. Would you like to place an order?
Hello. Yes, please. Can I have an Americano? Hot, please.
Of course. Large, medium, or small?
Medium.
Okay, anything else?
A cheese sandwich, too.
Cheese sandwich, got it. Would you like to order as well?
Yes, can I have an iced latte, please? Medium.
Sure. Do you have a milk preference? Regular milk, almond milk, or oat milk?
Regular milk.
Okay, anything else?
A chicken sandwich, too.
2 sandwiches and 2 drinks. Is that everything?
Yes, that is everything for now. Thank you.
Can I get your name? I will call you when your order is ready.
Bob.
Okay, your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. Let's find a nice table outside.
Look, there is a table in the shade over there, under the tree.
Perfect. I do not want to sit in the sun, it is too hot.
Me neither. The shade is much more comfortable.
This table is great and we can watch the street from here.
Yes, watching people is fun.
The cafe really is a beautiful place. We did a good thing coming here.
I agree. The atmosphere is so nice.
You are doing great so far. Did you notice the word order? Order means to ask for food or drinks at a cafe or restaurant. You can say, "Can I order?" to let them know you want to place an order. Bob said to the barista, "Can I have an Americano?" Can I have is also a very common way to order. Can I have a coffee? Can I have a sandwich? Try to keep that in mind. And a small grammar note. The barista asked Lisa, "Do you have a milk preference?" Preference means a choice you like more. At a restaurant, do you have a seat preference? At an airport, do you have a seat preference, window or aisle? At a cafe, do you have a size preference? A very useful word. Try to keep that in mind. Our question in this video is, will Bob post the latte photo on social media? The answer is coming very soon. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even a single word is perfect. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. What happens next is very interesting. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Let's continue.
Bob, your order is ready.
The order is ready. I will go get it right now.
Okay, I will wait here.
Here you go. Your iced latte and chicken sandwich.
Thank you. The latte looks so beautiful. There is a nice design on top.
Yes, they call that latte art.
So cute. I should take a photo.
I will take one too. Not to post on social media, just as a memory.
Sure, sure. Just as a memory, this latte is really delicious. The milk and the coffee are perfectly balanced.
My Americano is really good too. Just the way I like it. Not too bitter, not too light.
Did you try your sandwich?
Let me try it now. It is really good. The cheese is fresh and the bread is crispy.
My chicken sandwich is amazing too. The chicken is very tender and the sauce is perfect.
What kind of sauce is it?
I do not know, but it tastes like a mix of mayonnaise and mustard. It is really delicious.
Can I have a bite?
Of course, here you go.
That is really good. Yours is more delicious than mine.
You always say that other people's food always looks better.
Where did you find out about this cafe?
A friend of mine told me she came here last week and really liked it.
I am glad she told you. It really is a beautiful place.
Yes. My friend also said great things about the desserts, especially the cheesecake.
Then we definitely need to try the cheesecake.
Yes, but a little later. I'm so full right now.
Me too. Let's rest for a bit.
Bob, there is a problem.
What happened?
There is a bee next to my coffee, and it is not afraid of me.
Stay calm. Do not move. Bees react to movement.
I know, but it is so close. It is almost on the tip of my nose.
Wait. Let me try to move it away with the napkin.
Be careful. Do not let it sting you.
Okay, it is gone. It flew toward the flowers.
Oh, what a relief. I am so scared of bees.
They are just looking for flowers. They do not want to hurt us.
I know, but I am still scared.
Is it dessert time now?
Yes, I am ready now. Should we try the cheesecake?
Absolutely. Should we also get a brownie? We can share both.
That is a great idea. You go order, I will wait here.
Okay, I will be right back. Hello again. Can I have one cheesecake and one brownie, please?
Sure, we have two kinds of cheesecake, plain and strawberry. Which one would you like?
Strawberry, please.
Okay, would you like the brownie warm or cold?
Warm, please.
Sure, would you like ice cream on the side? It goes really well together.
Yes, with ice cream, please.
Great choice. I will prepare it right away.
Thank you. How much is it?
The cheesecake is $6 and the brownie with ice cream is $7. That is $13 total.
Can I pay by credit card?
Sure, please tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Thank you. I will bring them to your table shortly.
The desserts are here.
Wow, they look amazing. The strawberries on the cheesecake look so fresh.
And there is ice cream on top of the brownie. It is already melting.
Let's try them. I will try the cheesecake first.
And I will try the brownie.
Mmm, this might be the best cheesecake I have ever had in my life.
Are you serious?
I am serious. The cream cheese is so soft, and the strawberry sauce is amazing. Try a bite.
It really is delicious. And my brownie is incredible too. It is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It goes perfectly with the ice cream.
Let me try some too. Wow, that is really good too. The warm brownie and the cold ice cream go so well together.
Your friend was right. The desserts here are really excellent.
Bob, do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I have a coffee every morning. My day does not start without it.
How many cups do you drink?
Usually two, one in the morning, one in the afternoon.
I never used to drink coffee. I started in college.
Most people start in college to study at night.
Exactly. Now I drink it because I enjoy the taste.
Which coffee do you like the most?
Latte. I love milky coffees. How about you?
I like plain coffee, no milk, no sugar. Americano is my favorite.
Is it not too bitter?
I do not think it is bitter. You can taste the real flavor of the coffee. Look, that man at that table is working on his laptop.
Yes, there are a lot of people who work at cafes. I do it sometimes too.
I cannot do that. If I sit in a cafe, I just chat or look at my phone.
That woman in the corner is reading a book. She looks so peaceful.
It is a great place to read a book, calm music, nice coffee, comfortable seat.
Next time I will bring my book too.
Good idea. We can come together and read our books quietly.
Quietly? You cannot stay quiet for 5 minutes.
I can try. Maybe I can do it.
Would you like to get another drink?
Actually, yes, but this time I'm going to try something cold. You were right, it is really hot.
Finally. Get something iced.
I will get an iced Americano.
I will get an iced tea this time.
Okay, this time I am paying. You paid for the first order.
I did not pay, you paid.
Really? I do not remember.
Yes, you paid. This time let me pay.
No. This time I am definitely paying.
Okay, let's not argue too much. Thank you. Look, the sun is starting to set. The sky is orange and pink.
Wow, it is so beautiful. Watching this view from here is wonderful.
Should we take a photo?
Sure, I will take one. Smile.
Let's take a selfie too. The two of us together.
Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Let me see. It came out really nice.
Yes, the sky in the background is perfect.
This might be the most beautiful moment at this cafe. It is getting late. I think we should go.
Yes, you are right, but I do not want to leave. We had such a wonderful time.
I do not want to leave either, but we have work tomorrow. You paid for the first order, you paid for the desserts, and you paid for the second round of drinks. That is too much.
It is no problem. Today is on me.
Next time, I am definitely paying. Promise?
promise.
Today was really a wonderful day.
I agree, this cafe is amazing. We are definitely coming back.
Absolutely. Maybe next weekend?
That would be great. And this time, let's bring our books.
Yes, we are going to read our books quietly.
If I can last 5 minutes.
You are going to try. Should we make a bet?
Okay, I will take that bet. The winner gets a free coffee.
Deal. Then I will see you next weekend.
See you, Lisa. Thank you for today. I had so much fun.
I had so much fun too. It was a beautiful day. Good night, Bob.
Good night, Lisa. Get home safe.
You too. See you.
I hope you enjoyed today's conversation and learned some new English words and phrases. Before we finish, let's quickly go over some keywords from today's story. The first word, latte art. These are the beautiful designs that a barista makes on top of your coffee with milk. It can be a heart, a leaf, or a flower. Bob and Lisa loved the latte art on their coffees and took photos. The second word, cheesecake. A soft and sweet cake made with cream cheese. You can put strawberry, blueberry, or chocolate sauce on top. Lisa tried the strawberry cheesecake and said it might be the best cheesecake she has ever had. The third word, sunset. When the sun disappears from the sky in the evening, the sky turns orange, pink, and red. Bob and Lisa watched the sunset while sitting at the cafe and took a photo together. Now let's go back to our question. Will Bob post the latte photo on social media? Did you find the answer? Write your answers in the comments. I will check them. And tell me, what is your favorite cafe drink? Is it latte, americano, or iced tea? I would really love to know. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. And if you want more slow and easy English conversations like this one, subscribe to Learn English with Daniel and turn on notifications. That way you will know when new lessons come out. I will be here with a new story for you very often.